Hey guys, we're back here with another quick install. I got this AJK off-road mount system. It's for the Milwaukee Packouts for their toolboxes and coolers. It's pre-designed for this XP Pro bed, so we're gonna be putting that in and see how my cooler fits. Make sure we got clearance on everything. Okay, got over here on the workbench. It comes in 3 easy pieces. The center piece just mounts on top of these. I'm going to get them together loosely, and then I'm going to go figure out how these puck installs work. I'll pull the bed out and bring it over here, and then I'll shift it front and back to where I got the tightest, where it's going to work the best for me. So let me hurry and get this put together loosely, and then we'll bring the bed out, and then we'll start fitting it into place. Okay, got the bed lined up here. I got their puck system, which is these 2 aluminum pieces. One goes on top of these factory holes, and one goes in the bottom. And then it comes with a nut, or 2 nuts and a bolt, with an Allen head. They don't have instructions on it, but I'm assuming I'm going to put this through here and tighten this puck down all the way. And then I'll do that on all 4, and then the mount, the bracket will go on top of the excess threads with the other nut on top of it. I was going to do it the other way, just so the smaller head is on this, but I think it'd be hard to get them all lined up and tightened down properly. So this way at least it's going to center all my bolts where they need to go. So let me tighten these down. I'll set the bracket in there, and then I just got to fit it front to back to make sure the cooler's going to clear everywhere and it leaves me as much bed space as possible. So I'll get these tightened down, and then I'll kind of show you how we're laying out the bed. Okay, we got the studs bolted down. They're nice and tight. I got this sitting in here. Right now I have this slid as far back as it'll go. So we're going to throw this cooler on there, make sure it will clear. Otherwise this will all be for nothing. Brackets. Oh, see, and it's got to come forward just a little bit to clear the cooler in the bed because of these sides are hitting in the back. So, let me make sure I ain't down everywhere. This is way forward. Is it even going to fit? Okay, I think right there. Is where we need it, but now I have to figure out how to tighten it up without moving it all. So let me get a marker so I can mark this and get it square, and then I'll tighten it down and we'll make sure it fits. So let me get this all tightened down. You don't want to see my boring. Tightening these down and moving them. Okay, got it all tightened down in here. I think I've got it a little bit too far back, but I think it's going to be close enough it's going to work. It will latch. It just needs a little help for that last full lock in. That should help keep it from vibrating and bouncing around too much. So let's throw the bed back in and see how much room I have, because I would like to get a small toolbox to go underneath this, just for basic tools and everything, just so they're hidden. But I need to see how much room I have between here and the spare tire rack. So let's throw this in, throw the cooler in, we'll figure that out. I still have room in the bed for other stuff here, so I think this will work out nicely for what I need it for. Okay, our moment of truth. Cooler in here. Latched in nice. I've got my Rotopax water jug underneath my spare tire. So together, I've probably got 2 inches is all, which I think they do make a thin pack out that might clear. It would be really tight. So that is an option, or I could go with the smaller cooler and the smaller pack out boxes. They're about 4 inches shorter, so I could for sure fit a toolbox if it was just a smaller ride. This will probably be for when I'm bringing everybody. I could do the smaller ones if it was just me, or me and 1 passenger. Again, it's an AJK off-road bracket. Comes with everything you need to install it. You just need to get the bracket and then make sure you select the puck option to install it into these factory holes. So there's no drilling required, really easy to put together. Probably took about 15 minutes at the most. And that was going and changing tools a few times.